Sveicināti Sargs.lv skatītāji! 30. janvārī Latvija parakstīja līgumu par vairāk nekā 40 ASCOD kājnieku kaujas mašīnu iegādi. Šodien esam uz sarunu aicinājuši Dynamics European Land Systems Santa Bárbara Sistemas viceprezidentu Alehandro Page Hernandez.
Good morning.
So I think we could start with the vehicle itself. Why it is better than other vehicles in the market?
So I think this vehicle has proven superior performance in general in all parameters. And it's not just me saying it. I think the test results were very conclusive. It's better than the competition. It has great mobility. It has the best protection for the crew. It has increased firepower. So it's a vehicle that fulfills every requirement from our customers. I wouldn't like to be in front of this vehicle as an enemy. I would like to be within the vehicle. So if you think about everything this vehicle provides and better than the competition, you will see that it's the one to choose. It has also great flexibility, which is key in today's battlefield, modularity, growth potential. You can implement new systems easily. So I know that many other customers will also choose this vehicle in the future, and we are grateful that Latvia chose it. We are grateful to provide this capability to Latvia. We are happy for Spain, for Latvia, and for Europe to increase the defense capabilities of Europe.
And can you tell us what type of ASCOD Latvia chose?
Latvia chose the last generation of our ASCOD vehicle. So this vehicle has been redesigned and improved throughout the years. It includes many innovative patented solutions, Spanish technology that has been developed by us. And I think it's the result not only of our great engineers, but also the intense feedback from our customers, running hundreds of thousands of kilometers throughout the years. We got all that feedback, we embedded it into our vehicle, we perfected it, and that's what Latvia is going to get soon.
Mm-hmm. And can you tell us more about its life cycle? Can we improve it in the future?
Yeah, as I said, one of the key parameters of this vehicle is the adaptability, the growth potential, the flexibility. So this vehicle for the future, it will have a long life because the way we have designed it allows easy implementation of new technologies. So in this world, technology moves very fast. So every new technology that appears, that we develop, that our partners develop, can be easily implemented in the vehicle with our open architecture. And also, as we have, as I said, a great growth capability. Our platform, our vehicle, base weight has been optimized. So the payload for our customers, the additional weight that our customers can put into a vehicle is bigger than any other vehicle.
How multifunctional is the ASCOD platform? What options does it still have? And is the Latvian side currently interested in possible extension of this agreement of purchasing?
Yes, there is an option in the current contract that we are signing for additional vehicles and additional variants. Right now we are focused on delivering our current commitment, but we expect that once we deliver our current commitment, these additional vehicles will come naturally. So our platform is very versatile, as we said. We used to say, you want it, we have it. And it's not just on PowerPoint. So we have many variants in operation. We have many variants built, tested. You can have from the IFB that Latvia is purchasing to troop carrier, bridge layer, light tank, different kinds of turrets and calibers. We have a self-propelled howitzer over an ASCOD, a 155 gun. We have command post, recovery variant, repair variant. I can be here forever, but again, I think the key is that we've seen many times PowerPoints with a lot of variants, renders. We have the vehicles. So as soon as a customer comes and wants a new variant, we have it proved, tested, so the delivery time is reduced and the reliability of those variants is proven.
Mm-hmm. And Ministry of Defense wants to at least 30% of procurement amount involve Latvian companies. How do you think you're gonna ensure that?
And we know the importance of developing capabilities in country. So when a country and a customer invests in a new product, they want some return also for the country. We understand that and we work towards that. So we have been working for many months now with partners in Latvia, suppliers, to develop our own supply chain here, to try and cooperate with companies here. So this is not just a contract for us. This is more than a contract. This is the start of a long-term partnership in Latvia. We want Latvia to not only get the vehicles, but get the capability of maintaining those vehicles so they don't depend on others, to get parts in country. So for us it's also critical. We do it with other customers. We know how to do it. It's not the first time we do something like that. We understand it and we will put our biggest effort in trying to fulfill all our commitments on that regard.
So can we wait some factory here in Latvia, or?
We are working with partners that already have facilities here that will be working on our vehicles here in Latvia.
Mm-hmm. And the war in Ukraine has showed how crucial are the supplies of armament. How you going to try ensure that we have, in the case of crisis, the all needed supplies?
So, well, since COVID, it has been a challenge always. The supply chain was struggling to provide parts, and we started then already a plan to reinforce our supply chain everywhere around the world. So we tried to develop more and more suppliers, but also increase our own capabilities. So we make sure that our customers will always have the component they need at the time they need it. The fact that we are also finding in Latvia some suppliers, partners, and we will develop them to increase also their capabilities, also assures that Latvia will have less cross-border supplies that facilitate and improves the availability of parts for Latvia. It's another part that we are very focused and very serious about it.
How do you think the future for the infantry vehicles looks like?
Well, as we say, technology changes very quickly. So you need to be able always to catch up with the new technologies. We know there are many technologies that are now, everyone is talking about them. The first thing that we try to do is all our vehicles, as I said, have to be adaptable to these new technologies. We cannot make the vehicle lack the implementation of technologies. So artificial intelligence, unmanned vehicles, optionally manned vehicles, active protection systems, all of that is easily implemented in our vehicles. We have solutions, so as soon as a customer wants something like that, the vehicle can be upgraded. So you don't even have to get the vehicle at the beginning with technologies if you don't want them now or if they don't exist, but you will be able to get them to upgrade the vehicle as soon as these technologies are available in the market.
And do you think can we expect artificial intelligence in the vehicles at some point in future?
I guess there will be. There will be. I think it's something that is difficult to stop right now. We have to be careful with that and try to control it, but I'm sure there will be something like that.
And last question, when can Latvia expect ASCOD?
You will have the first vehicles next year. We are very serious about our commitments. We will fulfill our commitments, and next year you will see the first ASCODs in Latvia.
Thank you very much for the interview.
Paldies!
Paldies! Visu labu skatītājiem! Tiekamies nākamajos ierakstos!